Hello, y'all. I have to take a bag of trash to the trash bin, so I figured I would show you some morning spider webs since it's October on the way out to the garbage bin. There's some little spider webs on the ground. See those little spider webs? They're on the ground this morning along with the dew. Morning spider webs. They're all over the place. You can see that's under my house there. That's where they like to go, is in dark, damp, cold places, or cooler places. Let me scroll in on that one on the power line so you can see it. Let's see. Right there it is. Alright, I'll take you out to the garbage bin with me and I'll show you the one that was out there. I don't know if it's still out there or not. I've already loaded up one bag of trash and took it out there this morning, so might be gone. There's some fog still. Here's a little spider web on this little bush here. Rosa Sharon. A little spider web. Alright, let me show you this one down here. I don't want this to turn into a long video, so I'll try to walk a little faster to show you. See right there? I turn to the side. Spider web for October. There's my Halloween decorations, you guys. There's a spider web. Put this bag of trash in there. Yep. There's a spider web. Morning spider webs. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.